I found Michael's chair. Too bad he wasn't here. He'd probably sit on it and break it. Alright, so today I am at Salvation Army. Make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you some footage that I got at the restore. I found some amazing stuff. Here's a sneak peek. Let's get inside and see what we can find to resell on eBay. Alright, Christmas items 50% off. Alright, let's see if there's anything new and interesting. Ooh, some copper with a wooden handle. Oh, that's a nice angel. It's plastic. Let's see if that's made in Italy. Oh, it's a hobbyist piece, 1978. See, that looks like something that would be from the 90s. Some mugs. Ooh, that looks pretty. A nice peach. FTDA. Look at this etched bowl. There's a gold rim and then gold on the flowers and leaves. How much is that? $4.99. That's not bad. That's half off. Oh, it's a big chip right there. Man, I'd pick it up if it was crystal, even with a chip. Anything down here? See some color. GHP. Some mixing bowls. Oh, these look interesting. Signed on the bottom. Kind of look like watercolors. Let me take a look at the other one. This one is a blue for $1. There's some damage right there. Something Winters. I'm gonna leave it. Here's a art glass penguin. What does this say? Gift Co. And how much is that? I'm gonna ask. I think that's nice. Oh, look, it has the two penguins inside the larger penguin. It's probably the mama and the babies. I like that. If it's a couple dollars, I'll get it. If it's more than that, I'm not. Because I don't think Gift Co. Has the best resale value. We'll see if this is Stars France. Noritake. This hand-painted bowl. I think it's hand-painted. Yeah, it is. Bavaria, China, Germany. Man, there's a lot of chipping on it. I didn't even see that. See who made this green teapot. I never heard of that. How much do they want for it? $3.99. That one I might have to research. Only because I never heard of it. Some vintage. Not vintage. It's Walmart. All right. Some space savers for your kitchen counter. There's a nice blue on it. Heirloom Craftsman China. JK. Let's take a look at that. I've never seen one with a signature on it. $2.99. That's not bad. It is a pretty blue. It's different. Let's take a look at that. I've never seen one with a signature on it. $2.99. That's not bad. It is a pretty blue. It's different. Okay, so Christmas is half off. I think I'm gonna get these. They're $1.50 each. So you have the King Caring Gold, and yeah, I'll do that. Heaven and Nature Sings, Midwest of Cannon Falls. I'll do that. It's a part of a nativity. That's a cheap price for that. Just make sure everything is in there before I check out. There's a nice stained glass. Oh, stained plastic. Is it? It's hard to tell. Christmas tree. Chocolate filled mint candies. Oh, you put chocolate in there. It's kind of neat. Let's see if I'm missing anything. What are these? Check that lamp out. Look how cool it looks. Is that vintage? I don't think it is. I was thinking it was mid-century. It's kind of heavy. Hold on, I gotta use 2 hands. The lamp just said ceramic made in China. See if that's Fitz and Floyd. I looked at that last time. The Nature Christmas. I'm looking for Catherine Holmes still. Eventually I'll find a Catherine Holmes because it's not marked and most people don't know what it is. And there's a certain Mikasa mug I'm looking for that sell pretty well, like hundreds of dollars. It's white, I forget the pattern. Is that Otagiri? No, Falsgraph. It's a Santa. Alright, I decided to take a closer look at this creamer, or these sugars. This isn't a chip, it's just a defect. And it says Sterling, and this one is marked W. I'm not sure who made that. It's not Westmoreland. It's W in a jar, or maybe it's M. But they're $1 each, and it's sterling silver overlay. I think this one might be an antique. I'm not positive, but I'm gonna put them in for $1 each. There is some silver lost too. Ooh, looky over here. I feel like I've seen this before. Jonathan Adler. Yes, it is. For Party Light. For $1.99. And I don't see... There's some chipping. I don't care. I'm putting that in. It's rare when we find that. Last time we found Jonathan Adler was at Goodwill a couple months ago. Yeah, there's some chipping on there. Oh well. Alright, I am not seeing anything else, but this is everything we're getting. The Art Glass Penguin, the Sterling Silver Overlay Sugars, the Nativity, and the Jonathan Adler. Alright, today is 20% off. There's a lot of people here. Alright, get my lucky cart. First thing I see is some Goofus glass. I think that's Goofus glass for $2. Not too much resale value in that. But this vase over here, I do like that. It is signed Lennox on the bottom. For $2, I'll get that. It's pretty. I like the satin with a clear. Put that in. Let's see if I'm missing anything else. I'm not seeing... What is that? Also want to check this out. It says Best Friends and has 2 fish. Oh, it's signed on the bottom. Mealac 2011. That's only $1. Put that in. That looks interesting. I like that pattern. Oh, that's Lennox too. For $1, I'll get that. I think it's pretty. Oh, this looks pretty. Looks like it's hand painted. Let's check out the back. It says made in France. T&V. I'll get that for $2. I like that. I wonder if that's for a vanity. Let's see what else there is over here. Check that out. Royal Velvet, made in Thailand. Here's a oil lamp. Has stars on the bottom. Let's see who made it. Duplex and Company, EM and Company. I don't see a price on it. It's definitely older. I'm gonna have to ask for a price. Target bird. Oh, it's mud pie. That's kind of cute. For how much? There's no price on it. We have all of these salt and pepper shakers. $4 for that. What about these? I don't know if I want to spend $4 on that. I like these though. Oh my gosh, all that, it's cold paint, so all that's gonna come off unless I could soak it. I'm not sure. Have some bowling balls. Ooh, those are pretty. In Japan for $4. Yeah, I'm not sure about those prices on that. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them. Those are old, they're plastic. I wonder if it's Bakelite. No, I can already tell it's not. Oh, look at those. I wish they didn't put tape on it. You could soak it in water, but I still feel like the cold paint would still come off. Oh well. Alright, well, they took this vase out of the case. It's crystalline for 35 and 20% off. And it's signed. I think I'm going to get it. I love that green. Oh, look at the bottom. Alright, I'll put that in. Let's take a look at that. Looks a little bit different. It's more modern. And no signatures. Ooh, this cute owl. Ooh, I thought that was going to fall out. That's definitely more modern, but I like it. It's only $1. I'm going to say no on that. Look at this lampshade. It looks like it's reverse painted. $8. I wonder if that's antique. There's a lot of chipping on it. Check out this pumpkin. Royal Norfolk. Okay. Alright, so I just picked up a set of 4 of these plates. They're lobster plates, shrimp scampi. What else does it say? Scampi, crab. They're made in Sweden. Someone has them listed, 2 of them for $50, and I think I saw another one over on the shelf. So let's go check it out. Is this it? It feels like it. That's an angel on there for $1. I'll get that. It's definitely, it's heavy. I wonder if they're made out of crystal. I'm gonna get that. It's definitely matches. So I'll spend $1. Check out this little vase. It's more modern. I like that blue. Oh, look at all these watermelons. Oh, that's kind of neat. Oh, look at that. I kind of like them. You have the apples. Made in China for $1. Those are neat. What is that used for? I don't know. They're only $1. I wonder if I should just get them. They're handmade too. Or will that be something that just sits? There's a signature on the bottom. L and G, I think, 1980. Is that L and G? Maybe I should just get it. Okay, I think I'm gonna get these 3 for $1 each. I could, one good thing about getting these cheap is I could list them for a lower price. I'll probably sell them together. Grab that one. Some wooden candlesticks. Oh, they're not wood, it's ceramic. Let's see what that says. Made in China, not for food use. May poison. Put that back. Same thing on that side. Okay, so some of these wooden ducks can sell very well, especially if they're antique. I think this is more vintage. I actually can't really tell. Let's take a look at this one. That one says A&T on the bottom. I mean, it's 45 and then 65. I'm not sure about those. I think one of our viewers said she had a price guide book. Yeah, I'm not sure before I spend that much money. Look how cool this is. Select a slice, and it has a bright orange 1970s color. It's only $1. I love it. I found Michael's chair. Too bad he wasn't here. You'd probably sit on it and break it. All right, I did my second look around. I didn't see anything else. This is everything we're getting. Okay, so my total spend at Salvation Army was only $5. They only charged me $1 for the art glass penguins. Then my total spend at the Restore was $43. I can't remember. It was over 40. That's only because I got the crystalline art pottery vase, which I love. If it doesn't sell for that much, I'll keep it for myself. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our eBay store. I'll see everybody next time. Bye.